Hey guys, so I'm going to show you guys how to install this cable here, the RGB one, for our graphics card. We have for our power, and I ordered for the graphics card as well. So we're going to install it right now. First thing you want to do is disconnect your GPU, just so, makes it easier to work with the cables. So right now these are, my GPU comes with this little adapter, so we got to take the power. These are straight from the PSU, and we're gonna need this. So we're gonna leave that here. Then we're gonna take our RGB cable. We're gonna plug this into our RGB one. And I wanna make sure I plug them in nicely. And they're a little pain to plug it in, but there you go, make sure they click. Click again, and we have one more here that we're going to click, and we're going to push this to the back of the motherboard later. So the only one we should be able to see is the RGB one, which is this one. Now this one's going to our little adapter that we have here, and just line them up perfectly here. And they're a little painful to put it in, but let's see this one. Make sure they line up there, and well then. They're like, gotta put them separately for some reason. Normally they go together, but these ones we gotta push them separately. And they're a little, actually, make sure, I think, the second one, push the middle one here, and I think altogether will be easier this time. There you go, that was easier. And then this one here, last one, this thing's hard to hand. So, push it in. And then we're going to redo this one, because this one for some reason came a little short on mine, so it's giving me a hard time a little bit. There you go. Now we clicked it, but you might have to adjust it. There you go. Now they're correct. Now we plug this back in. There you go. And now we push this back, connect this to our motherboard controller for, lights, and we'll be all set. So that's it. That's how you install them. And now all we have to do is move this back over here somehow. You gotta find where they are and retract them, because the goal is to just let our RGB one show. We don't want the other ones to show at all. So we push the mass back and deal with it back here, which is, I gotta find this cable, there it is. There you go. And that's the mass that we're gonna deal with it via cable management over here, but yeah. Now the goal is to push this whole thing in, and how is it going over here? Guide this in there. There you go. There you go. So all you can see is this. And I think I'm gonna leave it there. I mean, this will not be lit up, unfortunately, but it is what it is. Now we just have to connect this cable to the motherboard. That's it. It is installed. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. Take care. And the cameraman says hi.